All right, Miss Debbie, what's up? This is my screencast for my website for ELRC 4507, and this is my homepage. The title of my website is 321 Cheese, and it's about photography 101. This is my homepage right here. As you can see, we're going to learn the ins and outs of photography by using my website. I got my background is linked in right here. From here, it's just my background, my biography. Go back to the home page. The resources that we used for our wiki. Alright, this is all the wiki resources that we did in class and on my own. As you can see, everything is linked in from the home page, but I'm going to use this navigation up top. This is my Coach's Picks page, my favorite photos that I've taken over the past couple years. Everything's a little slow because of the giant storm that came through yesterday. Our Wi-Fi has been out. Hasn't been too well. Okay, here we go. Everything's loaded. This is just a couple of my favorite photos that I've taken. And then on to our technology projects. Alright, this is the digital scavenger hunt that I did. Obviously, I was a little late to class because of practice, so I did it on my own with some of the photos that I've taken over the past couple years, and it shows you the settings that I used to take some of these photos, and it goes through right there. Here is Animal Kingdom by Connor Neighbors. This is just free photos that I found online and made the Google slideshow out of it. Alright, from there, my digital story. Alright, my digital story, which was really fun to do actually. Anyways, here it is. Got to learn some editing. It was pretty awesome. My mobile app, which was Canva, which is an application that teachers can use for a multitude of different scenarios. I actually liked it. Lights have been flickering. I don't know if you saw that. Then my PLN, PLE. Through here with my blog reflections, or excuse me, my reflections, blog curation, and microblog. Alright, there's my blog spot, reflection. My curation reflection. And my microblog reflection. And let's see my website. Oops. My website evaluation. The website that I did was colormatters.com. Extremely interesting website. Then right here I have my evaluations. Apple Teacher Certification. I learned how to do a bunch of stuff on the iPad. GarageBand is really cool. Back to evaluations, and obviously this is where my screencast is going to go. Hopefully it's not as awkward as I feel right now. Anyways, then I have my tech blog right here, LinkedIn, Connor's photography site. All three of my blogs right there. Pretty cool picture of a turtle that I took a photo of a couple weeks ago. And I believe that's it. 3, 2, 1, cheese. All right.